Hello, do you have a problem with ants around your house or whatever insects that can cause a lot of problems? Well, I will show you something that you can use that will kill them instantly and they won't come back ever again. So what do we need to get rid of it? Something to spray. I've got this, but you can use an old bottle to clean windows, stuff like that, whatever. You don't have to have this, okay? And some diesel. You go and buy a liter at the petrol station and that's it. Now we put it inside and we spray it and you'll see the results. I've now got it, so all you have to do now is to spray whatever you got the insects or whatever the nest is, and you will see that will kill them instantly. And then with the smell, they will never come back again. So that's the positive thing. If you need to treat wood, use a paintbrush and you apply the diesel on the wood will actually absorb the diesel and you will be with peace of mind for years, okay? So that's very good. I know some of you will tell me, wow, and what about the environment, stuff like that. Yeah, I agree, it's not very nice, but I don't know, if you got a wooden house, for instance, what do you prefer? Do you prefer that they attack your house and you stay without the house, or do you want to kill those insects? As well, if you buy any insecticide, read what's written on it and you will see that it's not so good as well for, you know, for the climate, etc. So anyway, I will show you now how it works. Here, for instance, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a lot of insects that are coming and they're actually in the wood, okay? They make a nest here. So I'm just gonna spray and then you'll see if after there's some, they will be gone. Okay, now I've sprayed, and what happened? Some that were not in a nest may get close, but they actually don't go in anymore, okay? Because they arrive to the nest, but they smell, with the smell they just go, okay? When you see those holes as well in the wood, treat it, okay? With a paintbrush, put a lot of diesel, because here it's actually under attack, okay? So you have to treat it immediately. Here we have some ants, okay? So same thing. I'll treat with gazole and you will see they will be dead instantly and they will not come back here again. Same area, say not one, all dead. See, they're not coming back anymore. As you have seen, it's very effective, it's instant and very cheap. As I said before, not very ecological, but it doesn't matter because compared to the product on the market, it's not ecological either. So at the end of the day, this is cheap, instant, well, why not? So the only thing, don't do it inside your house, for instance, because obviously you will have the smell of the gas oil for a long time. And obviously that's why I said it's best to use it around the house, okay? Or whatever you've got a plague or anything, okay? So I hope that you have liked the video. Please subscribe and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.